Instead of a pair of socks or another signed copy of my book, this year for Christmas, I thought I'd gift one of my family members a brand new car.
Really? But I was running out of Andrex.
If only it were that simple though. Today, whoever misses a penalty last wins the car.
So basically we've got a 1 in 3 chance.
Ha! Not quite. I'm competing too.
So basically we've got a 1 in 3 chance.
Yes, you do.
Ollie!
First of all though, we need to decide who's going in goal. So we've got a challenge first off to decide who goes in goal for pens. To decide the goalkeeper of that, we'll do rock, paper, scissors, and whoever wins out of us 4 goes in goal and so is exempt from being the actual goalkeeper in the penalty shootout, okay? Don't have an aneurysm. Rock, paper, scissors, go.
Rock, paper, scissors, go.
Oh, wow.
Oh, so Dad's in goal for this.
Yeah, I'm through to the final though.
The keen-eyed amongst you might notice that it's actually my car. I'm selling it, and so I thought I'd give my family the chance to win it for free around Christmas. So if I don't win it, then I've totally lost the value of it, you know? Right, you two, the first challenge is a one-on-one volley challenge, okay? Let's say you have 2 bounces, okay? So you've got a maximum of 2 bounces to volley it. Last person to score goes in goal for pens. Anyone want to go first?
I'll go first.
Someone else?
Okay,
Well,
now.
we hope not.
Oh, say goodbye to your car.
And the man they call the Ginger Pele has struck.
Oh! Oh! That's a good effort. Come on.
Such a miss hit.
The try-hard is back. That's 3 bounces. You can't count to 3.
Let me talk!
Oh, so Ollie's out.
Well, thanks for everyone. I'm going back to Nottingham now.
We have 3 lives each for these penalties, okay? So it's the last to miss 3 penalties. Anyone want to go first? All right, step up. Kelly's going first. Okay. Do you want to place the ball? Because I put it down, you know?
I don't know what this means.
Come on, Ollie. Come on. Yes, there's 1. This is going to turn into me and Dad being incredibly competitive over the next 3 hours. Come on, do it for me. Oh, it's a good penalty. Oh, I forgot how good Dad is at pens. I think the word you're looking for is unsavable. Come on, Cal, you got this. It's all right, keep going. I need 10 minutes out of this. Here we go. Oh!
Ollie, he goes to the same
just so
place
you know, Ollie,
every
he
time.
goes that way every time. That's his penalty. No! No!
Oh, Dad, you're going to win this car. It's 3-2-2, right?
Come on. Oh, he saved it! Come on, Ollie, come on. No! Oh! It's so close!
You're not even trying!
However you can make most people unsubscribe. That's obviously Ollie knows that that's Dad's side for penalties now. So give me your thoughts, Dad. What are you thinking? Look, he doesn't even want an interview. It's that serious.
Oh, well done.
So frustrating.
Oh, okay, well.
Right, go on.
Yes! So good. Tell you, I'm so confused about which way to go now. I wish I hadn't have started this.
Come on. Oh, it's such a good penalty!
That's his signature one.
Yeah, I recognise that.
Here he goes. Surely not another one.
No.
Yeah, there we go. Kelly's out. Kelly's out. And now it's down to 2. Oh, this is what I didn't want.
Yeah, there's going to be a few hours. Can I just sit down?
Come on, Ollie. Come on.
Oh, we mixed it up.
I'm triggered. I think you may have committed yourself a little early.
Paul Pogba. It's a pelter.
This is going to be a long day. Oh, how has he still got 3 lives?
Oh!
Question, what are you going to do with the money if you get it?
It's not even close!
That's gone a long way.
Ollie, please.
He's still on 3 lives, Chris. You're on 1.
I know. Make sure you don't slip.
All right, well, let Ollie off that one.
Oh. Ollie! You so nearly got that.
This is how you ruin families. Only a few weeks before Christmas.
Can I actually point out we don't normally have to compete to get Christmas presents in our family.
I think it's about time we started. Oh my God. Ollie, that was a great dive.
That was a really good dive.
I just want you to lose 1 life. I think that's it at this
That's why
point.
you're keeping going.
Surely this time. Oh my God.
Oh, that was close.
Come on, Dad, just crumble. You want some peaches with your crumble? No, he does not.
He does not.
Surely his luck's running out.
No.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
A lot of poo shot out then.
The penalty spot is starting to be a real issue because your left foot just keeps slipping. Kind of just a matter of when it happens. It's just boring. Not a good pen.
Shall I go put the lunch on?
Yes. In fact, how did you get out the kitchen? My feelings! Ooh. Right, which way is he going, Cal? What are you saying? Gonna go with a solid right. Yes!
Oh!
Yes! Yes!
I was going to go for the plank where I was waiting for him to move and he didn't move enough.
I remember when I had 3 lives and I was that cocky. Hang on, sorry, there's just a bit of wind.
You okay?
Give it a few minutes. Oh my God, Mike, did you see that? Oh, Nelly! Come on, Ollie, come on. Oh! Ollie, I fully believe in you. Oh no! I can't believe I've been on 1 life for this long. Like, how have I survived?
Neither can I.
Oh, Jared
No, come on! Surely a retake or something. No! Thank you. Look how far that went.
Thank you.
That's the penalty spot. That's where my foot went across there.
Oh yeah, and I was taking mine from over there, wasn't I? I forgot that, sorry. It was totally unfair of me.
I think a good man, because I slipped, would give Ollie a chance to win it. So you'd say, take 1 more penalty, and if Ollie saves it, then he wins it.
I like the sound of that.
Yep. Do it! It's on! Oh my God, the scenes. The absolute scenes. Right, Ollie, look how happy he is.
go back to our student houses.
Please leave a like on the video.
I will.
Oh, he's fully just. Was there a thank you there? I don't know. Off to go cut someone's hair.
It's your car.
This has been a poor day. Please subscribe. Bye.